What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of gold. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in this instrument. What we see on the gold, this is the intraday or 4 hour time frame, and we could find a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss what it is, let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can find a trading opportunity on gold. Now, first of all, let's see bigger picture monthly time frame to see the general direction in the market. Now we see that on the monthly gold has bounced from this very important level of support. You can see this long wick candle on the monthly has created this doji, bounced from this level, acted here as a support here. Now from the same level we have seen a strong rejection, a long wick candle has been created. Now after this kind of bounce, what we can expect gold to go a little further to the upside, as this is a very strong bounce and we haven't seen significant retracement to the upside on the monthly perspective. So with that in mind, on the monthly we still have a little bit of bullish move to the upside. Now going to the weekly, we have seen on the weekly back to back 3 weeks up price, the price tested this previous support on the weekly time frame as a resistance, and we have seen a rejection. So on the weekly we see that the price now tested this resistance. Now we can expect another retest of this resistance, and probably we could see another drop here on the weekly perspective. As you can see, the price has created this doji. Now when you see this kind of doji in this important level of resistance, to break this resistance, as you know that the monthly we have a bias to the upside, we need liquidity. Gold needs liquidity, and to do that gold needs to come down, probably breaking this low of the weekly, and then we could see an uprise. So with that in mind, what we could see this week's gold wave is the price likely to go up, test this resistance, and probably will come back down, break this weekly doji, the low, and then we could see an uprise. So this could be the possible way for the gold for this week. Now going to the daily, with that keep in mind, we see that already in this resistance there is a rejection from this zone, from the previous support as a resistance on the daily time frame, and we see now today there is a narrow doji has been formed. So what I think, that let's go to the 4 hour time frame to see possible trading opportunity. Now what I think, that as you can see, if we narrow down the wave that we are expecting, that means that gold is likely to go for a range bound for a couple of days in this week. And then what I think, that gold first will go there, will test this resistance. You can see this is the same level as resistance, probably will create a potential head and shoulder, and then will break to the downside, break this low, create probably a lower low, break this double bottom, low of this double bottom, and then we could see that gold again going up price and to test this previous support as previous monthly support as resistance. So with that in mind, now where is the trading opportunity for gold? Let's delete this stuff and then see where we can find a trading opportunity. Now the area of value for possible longing or shorting for gold is, this is the zone for potential shorting. If we see proper price action confirmation from this zone, if we see that gold is creating this expected head and shoulder on the 4 hour time frame, then we'll consider going short on gold. If this is the case, then we'll be considering the same thing when gold will come back to this level of support, testing this, probably breaking this double bottoms low, and then we'll consider watching price action for potential longing opportunity. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also don't forget to drop a comment below to help this idea. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.